Hey, what's going on guys? Eli here. Today we're gonna be checking out something a little bit different. Today we got the Polo Ralph Lauren Heritage Aera Suede sneaker. Whew. Now these are in the wine, navy, and gold colorway, and these retail for $128. Now if they look a little bit familiar, that's because the silhouette of these is very similar to something like an Adidas Samba or an Adidas Gazelle. So I am going to be comparing them a bit throughout the video, but let's jump right into it. We got a nice suede upper. The suede is really soft and feels uniform, and it feels better quality than something like an Adidas Gazelle. The suede on the Adidas Gazelle feels a bit more rough and a bit less refined, whereas like I said, this one feels softer and definitely higher quality. Then we got a nice soft cloth lining and a gum colored rubber outsole. We have a toe construction that is very reminiscent of a Samba. Then moving up, we got some flat laces. They actually do come with a pair of extra laces, but the ones they have on are already good enough for me. The extra ones are pretty ugly in my opinion, but you can never be mad at extras. We got a lightly padded suede tongue with the gold Polo logo stamped right on it. Every time I look at the Polo horse logo, I get reminded of the reverse logo. I don't know if you guys have seen it with the horse riding the guy. I actually tried buying a shirt from them, but that reverse Polo collection is sold out everywhere. I tried looking. Anyways, moving on. At the side, we have a navy and gold stripe, as well as some Polo gold lettering, which is again very reminiscent of a Samba. And then below that, we have another Polo logo on the outsole, which is really nice looking. At the rear, we get some more Polo gold lettering on a navy tab, which is also very reminiscent of a Samba. And then underneath, we have a nice traction pattern with some more Polo branding on it. Lastly, it does have a insole that I was able to remove a bit. It's glued down, but I was able to remove a little bit of it. It's a gray insole foam that's got some pretty decent thickness to it, but what's nice is that underneath it actually has a little bit more foam. So I'm hoping these are going to be pretty comfortable on feet. So let's see how these hold up on feet. I actually went true to size on these, and that seemed to work well for me. So I'd recommend you guys go true to size. They had a good feel on feet. The suede was nice. It was comfortable on the toes, and it was overall a comfortable experience for what they were. I would actually give a slight comfort edge to these over the Sambas or the Gazelles, simply because of that extra bit of foam that they had underneath the insole. Like I said, overall a comfortable experience and great on feet. Well, there you have it guys. Overall, the shoe is very similar to a Samba. It's pretty much a Polo branded Samba in suede. They also have another version of this one in leather, and that one looks a lot more like a Samba. It's got a nice colorway to it too. It looks pretty clean, with the difference of it being, of course, more expensive. If you look, you can definitely find these floating around for cheaper. I think people would probably prefer a Samba or a Gazelle, especially considering the price difference. But these are mostly for the Polo fanatics out there. This is definitely a shoe for them, and I really think they'd enjoy this shoe. But let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.